welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out on this property, share your experience in the comments. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.